sounds are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
It's an arm. An is used before vowels. It's a nose. N is a consonant, so we use a. It's a nose. It's an eye. E is a vowel, so we use an. It's an eye.
A or an.
A or an.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. It's an ear.
A or an.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. It's a leg.
Is it a or an?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. It's an eye.
Is it a or an?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. It's a head. Now match the word and picture.
Is it a or an?
Well done. It's a hand.
Is it a or an?
Well done. It's a mouth.
Is it a or an?
Well done. It's an eye.
Is it a or an?
Well done. It's a smile.
Is it a or an?
Well done. It's a foot.
Is it a or an?
Well done. It's an ear.
What's this? Yes, it's an eye. What's this? Yes, it's an arm.
What's this? Yes, it's a hand. What's this? Yes, it's
What's this? Yes, it's a nurse. What's this? Yes, it's a leg.